Hello everyone, welcome to Simple Recipes Kitchen. My kitchen is full of simple, healthy, low budget recipes. Today I'm making a very healthy zucchini recipe. Sit back, relax and enjoy me cook. This is how it looks like. Yummy! Zucchinis are very rich in vitamin A and vitamin C, which is good for the eyes and the skin and the heart. It is also very high in antioxidants, and the antioxidants are mostly found in the zucchini's skin. So if you want more of the antioxidants, please do not remove the skin of the zucchini. Zucchinis are very rich in water, helps in digestion, also helps reduce the sugar level in the blood. It is very high in fiber also. It is low in calories, which helps with weight loss. So it is very easy to add. You can eat it raw, you can bake it, you can fry it, and you can also cook it. Zucchinis has a lot of health benefits. This time I add 1 medium-sized carrots, which adds more of the nutrients to the zucchini. At this point, if you want less of water in your zucchini, you can squeeze out some of the water. But if you want it like this, it is also perfect. At this time, I have to add spring onions, which is also very healthy. It gives the zucchini a very nice, lovely aroma and taste. I would love to hear from you. If you think zucchini is a fruit or is a vegetable, just leave your comments below. I'll be very happy to hear from you. At this point, I'm going to add other ingredients, very simple, healthy ingredients also. I add the diced spring onions. Look at how colorful everything is. Green is always healthy. We need garlic, fresh garlic, which is pressed out. You can also chop, you can also dice it into pieces. I normally crush it like this. Very easy and simple. You can also use already blended garlic. All these ingredients are all healthy. Garlic is also very healthy. Very healthy nutritional benefits. We add white pepper. You can also use black pepper if you want. A pinch of salt to taste. And we need 4 large eggs. Yeah, at this point it is very important not to add the eggs directly onto the zucchini. Normally you have to check if the eggs are okay. Sometimes the eggs are bad. So you break it in a bowl before adding it, so that if they are bad, you know how it tastes like. We need 5 tablespoonfuls of flour, all-purpose flour. You can use any flour at all. You mix all together. And at this point, you can also add sour cream if you prefer. If you want to add more flavor and thickness, you add sour cream. Now our mixture is ready. Now we are going to cook the mixture in the oven. We need a baking bowl. This bowl is made to take 300 degrees in the oven. So don't use any glass bowl. This is specially designed. Now we add half of the mixture into the baking bowl. At this point, I'm going to add fresh tomatoes, sliced fresh tomatoes. You can use any quantity of tomatoes of your choice, but I love tomatoes. I'm going to use half of it, and I'm going to use half again. This looks beautiful. We add some cheese, some grated cheese to it, and we pour the rest of the mixture. Now we add more tomatoes. You can use any amount of tomatoes of your choice. I love tomatoes. Now we are ready to cook. You set your oven on 180 degrees. And cook it between 30 to 40 minutes. This is almost cooked, but we still have some few ingredients to add to it, and we cook it again. We add more of the cheese depending on your taste. Add some more cheese. I like to garnish it with a bit of sesame seed. It is optional, you don't have to, but it makes it look nicer and appealing. So at this point, we cover it and take it back in the oven to cook between 5 to 10 minutes. Now it is all ready. Be careful when you are taking it out of the oven. Make sure your hands are protected to avoid burns. This is how our final zucchini recipe looks like. This is yummy, guys. This looks very, very yummy. And believe you, the taste is amazing. It's amazing. The whole family will love it. You need very few ingredients. You saw the ingredients we used, very few ingredients, but very healthy. Join me and let's eat together. I have a glass of water and some glass of orange juice. This looks yummy, guys. I wish you could take a bite, but do try it and let me know what you think about this recipe, and let me know what you would have added to it to make it your own. Yummy, guys. Yummy. It tastes so delicious. Thank you so much for watching Simple Recipes Kitchen. Do subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. Share and like with your friends. Follow me on Instagram. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.